Hi guys, so I'm new to Figma and I've been working in Figma for the past few days now, trying to upskill and learn the basics of how to use Figma. And I was doing this design earlier and I just couldn't get find a way to save it because I'm used to using Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. But I've recently just moved over to Figma and I created this simple progress bar designs, as you can see, A or B. Also, by the way, if you let me know which one you like, A or B. Let me know in terms of the design, which one you do you actually like. It's gonna really help me a lot. But anyway, I just wanted to find a way to actually save this designs because it's. I hope you can see, but it's got a black background behind it. So I just wanted to share this on my social media, on my Twitter, to show people and ask for people's opinions. But I couldn't find a way to save it because I'm used to using Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. So I went here, right, as I should, and I thought that's what I should do, and I clicked export, but it just showed me some weird background and it showed me this and this and it just didn't make any sense until this is what I actually did. I clicked on the background because I wanted to save the background image as well as this Burger Bar designs. But I went here at the bottom here. Remember, this is so hidden because this tab here is hidden sometimes, so you can't see it. So the trick is just scroll down, and you can actually click this button here, and it's going to give you different versions of your different photo formats. You have PDF, SVG, scalable vector graphics, JPEG, and PNG. So it's going to show you can save your files in any format that you want. Remember, you just have to scroll down this tab here, and then once you've picked the format that you want, I want a PNG, I want a JPEG, sorry. Then you can just click export background and it's going to download it to your computer. And that's how easy it is. Lastly, guys, sometimes if you're working with layers like this, if using the export tool doesn't work for you, because sometimes, let me show you an example what I mean. Sometimes when you use the export tool, it only exports the background, the frame here like this. If I press the export, and I go into the file that's just been downloaded, as you can see, it only exported the background for me, but I actually wanted to export this whole component and use this image as my YouTube thumbnail for this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the frame, right? Then I'm going to click on this arrow on this dot here just above the export button. Then I'm going to click on ignore overlapping layers, right? Then I'm going to now export it. And doing that will make it export everything on the frame, on the layers, as you can see. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this as the thumbnail for this video. So if you've watched this video and you've learned something from it, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Also, if you want to learn Figma, make sure you watch my Figma playlist on my channel, okay? I'm going to leave the link on the screen right here so you can watch it. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.